this video, I will make a small program using Python, which will create a beep sound in your operating system. It can be Mac or it can be Windows when the algorithm is completed. Okay, let's move towards our environment. Okay, I've just created a new project and I'm gonna create a Java file. Yes, I'm using Pycharm. You can use whatever IDE you want to use. Okay, there you go. I'm creating Python file. I'm gonna name it make sound. Okay, there I go. Okay, I'm using Windows, so I'm importing import win sound. Okay, not down. Yeah, sometimes it's not down. It's win sound. Yes, win sound. Okay, but if you are using OS, then you have to call your operating system. Yes, you have to import OS. I'm using Windows, so I have just called import win sound. Now I'm gonna create a function def. I'm gonna name it make noise. Okay, I'm gonna set the duration for the sound by variable duration, by using variable duration, and I'm gonna use duration as okay 1/4. Now I have to set the pitch. Yes, by using the frequency. I'm gonna use the frequency variable and I'm gonna give it 490. Remember that you can only give about 37 to 32787 in this value, because other than that the frequency is unhearable to the humans. Now I'm gonna call the win sound library I just created, and there is a function in that library known as beep. It has two variables. One is frequency, which I'm giving it, and the other is duration. Okay, you see there is a white line. This is telling me that I'll go to is one space. Sorry, it is how you indent your code. Okay, now I'm gonna create. make a function. I set the duration. You can see it is 1000 and frequency to 490. Now I call the wings library which I just imported here, and there is a function inside it that is dot beep, and it has two you may say parameters. One is frequency which I call here, and the other is duration which I call here. Okay, now this will create a sound, and this function is created. I didn't have any algorithm right now, so I created a program that will store even numbers in this array. This is used to calculate the even numbers, and if the number is even, then it will store it in the array due to this append method. I'm not telling you much about this because this is not the scope of our tutorial right now. You can write in this area, you can write your algorithm, or you can call your algorithm. Okay, and then there I may call the make sound function which I created above. Okay, then I created the main and I call the main function here, and now I'm gonna run it. You have to wear your seatbelts and watch. Okay, I run. Yes, there you heard. It took some time. Now I'm gonna take this range and I'm gonna increase the range, and I'm gonna also increase the duration of the sound. Okay, and I will change the pitch, so you may see the noise is changing. Okay, there you go. See, it's taking some time. Wait the Yes, you heard. You can hear it at your home. You can place your speaker with your operating system, and it will create a sound. You will be sleeping and will awake when your algorithm finish. Okay.